Is my screen visible, right? Anyone confirm me? Hello? Hello?
No, please tell me. Uh,
Okay, fine. My name is Anjaneyulu. I am a MBA graduate and also I'm a qualified assistant professor in commerce and certified SAP FI and a CO consultant. I am having 9+ years of experience. I previously worked in FactSet and Infosys. Currently working in a leading multinational company. I should not disclose the current company name. That's what I am telling this. Maybe most of you are aware of my current company name. And also I am working for a leading famous product based company. I mean, this is my client name. Okay. This is my introduction. This is myself. I completed my MBA and I'm a qualified assistant professor in commerce and also certified FI and CO consultant, having 9+ years of experience. Previously worked in FactSet and Infosys, so currently working in a multinational company. Now, coming to our course, FICO, finance and controlling. So before going to directly into SAP, I want to uh, discuss and I want to explain some of the basic things. Those are required to understand SAP FI and SAP CO. Okay. When it comes to Our coaching, our training, I designed a path, I mean, features. I want to explain in a simple in a simple and in a logical way to understand the subject easily, whether it is FI, whether it is CO, or any other module in SAP. So normally people are having uh, some doubts. I am a CA background. I am a non-commerce background people. Can I know? Can I mean, can I understand the FI? Can I understand the CO or any other finance related modules? For this question, I can say that there is no restriction that the people who are coming from commerce background only can understand the subject. The people having a simple graduation from any background, whether it is commerce or whether it is non-commerce, we can come to SAP and we can learn any module in SAP. There is no restriction. Most of the people, I mean, not most, so many people who are coming from non-commerce, like BTech, BSc, are working in SAP FICO. I'm daily uh, seeing these people in my current organization who are coming from non-commerce background and working in SAP FICO. So don't worry about whether you are coming from commerce background or non-commerce background, whether you are from BTech or from BSc or any other non-commerce academic courses. Okay, coming to our training, first I will explain the basic things, basics to be required to understand the SAP FICO module. This will take approximately 1 week or 10 days. Next, after that, I will explain the concept-wise explanation. Then we will go and configure the SAP FICO. Actually, maybe you might have listened this configuration in a first time in your life. I will explain what is configuration, how we will do the configuration SAP. Okay, don't panic about this word configuration. I will explain you in detail in logical. Okay, so Then if we have any doubts while you are practicing on SAP, we will be having separate clarification, doubts clarification sessions in periodically. Then I will explain real-time project issues those are facing by consultants in their daily life, daily working life. Okay, then I will conduct topic wise exams, objective type questions I will give. Basically, most of the institutions they will not do this activity. Why I introduced this concept is most of the students are coming just listening the classes like a story and going, but they are unable to remember the subjects in their mind. Due to that, they are afraid to attend the interviews and they will leave the SAP in between. So that to get the confident to remember the things in the students' minds easily, I am going to conduct the exams so that so that the students can understand, they can easily remember the subjects in their mind, and uh, they are ready to face the interviews without any fear. So that I have introduced this concept called exams. After exams, I will discuss on the questions those are given in the exams. So that I will give, I mean, I don't want to um conduct the exams just like that. After that exam also, I will discuss the questions so that the people can focus on the subject. Then we will show the real time work. Why This is also a new thing which is introduced by us. People are, even though having subject, even though they struggle, they learn a subject in 5 months, 6 months, even some students after studying properly and spending 1 year time in SAP FICO, but they are afraid to face the interviews because they don't know the real time work, what how it will be. Because of that doubt, because of that fear, the people are afraid to attend the interviews and clear the interviews. So periodically, whether it is weekly or bi-weekly, since you are all staying in current city, Hyderabad, we will ask you to come to me and I will show the real time work, what will happening, how the systems are there, how the environment, work environment will be there in real time, how the communication will be there between SAP consultants and business users and management. So if you see this in advance before going into the real time work, you can get confident. Without fear, without doubt, you can easily adapt the situation after joining into SAP as a consultant. You can do your daily work smoothly without any fear, without taking any support from others. So that we have introduced this concept. Okay. Then real interview questions discussion. What do you mean by real interview questions discussion? Here, real interview questions discussion means our team will regularly attend the interviews and we will record those sessions, real time interview, and we will make down all the interview questions from different organizations like TCS, Infosys, Capgemini, Accenture, Tech Mahindra. So, um, I mean, organization wise, we will prepare the interview questions. So those are asked real time by those organizations interviewers, and we will discuss these questions in our class so that we can, as students, you can understand how the interviews and how the interview questions are there in the industry. so that you can get the confident. Next, we will take the mock interviews. Okay, we will take the mock interviews. Then we will give the feedback. Feedback and any corrections required from your side. So after going through all above steps, we will take the mock interview. Then any corrections are required from your side as a industry experts, we will ask you to correct in the in the topics where you are struggling to explain in a correct way. Okay, feedback and correction of mock interviews. And also we will take multiple mock interviews until you get perfection and confident to facing interviews. After going through all these points, then only we will uh, let you to attend the interviews. Okay. Do you have any questions on this, Pavitran? Hello, are you there?
Hi,
Yeah,
Veera.
hi.
Any doubts from here?
No, no, Veera. Everything is clear.
Clear, right?
Yes.
So this is the way we are going to deal the subject and the other things. Those are required to clear the interview and do the work after getting a job smoothly. Okay.
Okay.
Pulaya, do you have any
No,
doubts?
but no,
Lucky,
no.
No, no, no. All is clear.
clear, right? Coming to our FICO module, our duration will be around 4 months. Maybe it will be 15 days here and there. We will complete it by max 4 to minimum 4 to max 5 months. Okay. Uh, classes morning 6:30 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. Here the time will be 10 or 15 minutes here and there. Okay. Mm, Regarding these two, any doubts? I mean, regarding duration and class timings.
No, Veera. So daily 1 hour section, right?
Maybe it will go beyond 1 hour also based on our discussion. If it is flow, we cannot stop in between. Then we can prolong 15 or 20 minutes based on our discussion.
Okay, okay, Veera.
Okay. If I am explaining one topic, that will take say for around 1 hour, 1 hour 20 minutes. After 1 hour, we cannot stop in between, right?
Yes, yes.
So that I am telling that. Okay. Then coming to our mm, syllabus, maybe at this time you don't know. I mean, you are not aware about some of the things, some of the terminologies. Okay, but first I will discuss accounts. Okay, accounts basics. What are the basics you should have to understand easily and to work smoothly in SAP FICO? That much I will explain for accounting point of view. Then only we'll go to SAP FICO. Okay, this will take around um, 5 to 6 sessions. After that, we will go to the main subject, our main subject called SAP FICO. Most of the things I will explain in a deeper way. Okay, I will give, I will explain 50 minutes, then remaining 10 minutes I will leave for you for asking doubts.
Okay.
15 minutes subject, 10 minutes doubts clearing.
Do we have Sunday and Saturday classes also?
Actually, today we started, right? Today,
Yeah.
21st Saturday. Actually, our timings will be, mean weekdays only. Okay, say I
Okay.
will write here.
Okay.
Weekdays only. That is from Monday to Friday. But as we started today, right? So I don't want to, stop the class tomorrow, because if I start today and if I take a tomorrow break, this will not good for us. Okay, so tomorrow also the class will be there. Tomorrow I will start with the accounts. Okay, from next Saturday and Sunday onwards, we will take the break. Okay,
Okay. Fine.
And one more thing I want to discuss, I want to tell you is if any one class or classes you missed, I will share the recordings to you. Okay. I will store all the recordings, all the class recordings in one drive, and I will make those classes to available you by adding your Gmail account into that drive. Okay. Maybe due to some work, if you are not able to attend the classes on a particular day, and don't worry, we will share the that missed class recording to you, so that you can go through that before coming to the next class. Okay. Now, regarding these four things, I mean, my qualification, our training procedure, and our timings and duration and our syllabus. Do you have any doubt?
No, Vira.
Okay, everything is clear, right?
Yeah, everything is fine.
Ullaya?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, then we can stop now. Okay. From tomorrow onwards, I will explain. I will start with accounts basics. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Bye. Tomorrow we will
Okay,
connect,
thank
right?
you.
Tomorrow same
Yeah,
time,
okay.
6:30 to
Yeah,
7:30 p.m. Tell me.
sure, sure.
Okay, fine.